everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I need a download driver Canon. This here for you type here Canon imageCLASS. This here for the sale. You type here for the driver download. And please why I'm search the official website for you. I'm like download the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. And this here for official website support image class. This here for serial. You click here, and this here for the printer. If you need to download the driver, you scroll down. And this here for the tech automatic your operating system and my operating system for Windows 10. If you make the operating system for the Linux or the Macintosh or the uh, Windows, and this here you click here. This here for all operating system, and this here for operating system for the Linux, and this here for operating system for the Macintosh, this here for the new version for Macintosh, and this here for the Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11. And this video I'm need download driver for the Windows 11, and this here for select for the Windows 11, and this for the printer for the Windows 11, and this here for the print plus S3 printer. This here for the your generics plus PS3 printer for driver. If you need download, you click here and you click here for the download. And this here for the information model the print, and this here for the and operating system and instru setup instruction for the install connection for USB using. And if you need to load, you click here. Okay, this you for the drive for the load. If you need install driver for the printer, you turn on the power printer. This you for the turn on. You put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect USB cable printer and press white finish driver the load. If you finish the load, you double click file, you click next and you click finish. This here for the type automatic your operating system. If you need question, comment below. If you need link download below description the video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my channel. See you by next time the video.